Hello guys, I'm back with another video of Canva. Oh wait, of Canva. We still lost. Anyways, yeah, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make how to make your own thumbnail. Yeah, guys, I used this for thumbnail, but if you're wondering, this was for the one with for fun, means for the logo. Nope, I used another app for making the logo. So yeah, guys, let's get started. First I normally do is just go to uploads, click on upload, and I just go to the camera roll. Yes guys, I do that. And yes guys, I do that. I'll do that, and now I go to pictures, go to my thumbnails. And yes guys, if you're wondering, this Canva is always Canva is only for making thumbnails? No, it's good for making certificates and logos also. But there's another app which makes everything easy to make logos. That's why I was using that. But yeah. Anyways guys, if you didn't know one fact, I actually used Canva. I actually didn't know how that this app actually existed. Not the app which I use for making thumbnails. Not thumbnails, logos. This logo. And yes guys. Yes guys, so yeah, I'm actually making, guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing, yes guys, I'm actually making I'm actually making today's thumbnail. I'm making today's thumbnail. And yes guys, the new year is coming. If you didn't know that, the new year is actually still coming, but I think you all know that. I think you all know that the new year is coming. But yeah guys, if you see this guys, if you doing this, following how I'm doing, it will be very easy, yeah. And I'm just gonna say, and the heading is gonna be Canva. And then yes guys, now see, download. And yes guys, I'm just gonna do one thing, elements free. Yes guys, if I just do that and then download, it's for it is gonna do this, pay for download, yeah. But just click on download a draft. It's gonna do that. Yeah, it's gonna do that, Canva. But now I don't want this thing here, and I just want this. It won't ask you pay, because that was pro guys. You got that was a pro. So yeah guys, There you go. But guys, if you still don't know how to do a thumbnail in YouTube, don't worry. You came to the right video, guys. Something is wrong. Oh yeah, now it's fixed. Yes guys, I'm in one now. Yes guys, if you just scroll down, you can, if you, means like guys, this will be not there, but if you just click on this, wait, actually guys, I think for you, means like guys, I actually didn't, I already uploaded this video, and I uploaded this video guys. So yeah, if I just click this, but if you just click on open, then this it will show you the one which you choose it. Normally you can just do this, it will do this, but if you want a better thumbnail, you can just use Canva and do that. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you like it. So yeah, bye, and subscribe and give a like, and bye.